where we bring you the latest updates from the two-wheel world. Today, we're taking a close look at the new 2026 Honda CB200, a motorcycle that blends modern styling, daily practicality, and Honda's trusted reliability in one sharp package. Bold new design. The 2026 Honda CB200 arrives with a refreshed and aggressive street fighter design. It features a muscular fuel tank, sharp tank shrouds, and a compact tail section that gives it a premium big bike feel. The all-LED lighting setup, including the headlamp and tail lamp, enhances both visibility and style, making the bike stand out day or night. Engine and performance. Powering the new CB200 is a refined single-cylinder engine tuned for smooth performance and strong mid-range torque. This engine is designed to deliver quick acceleration in city traffic while remaining comfortable on longer highway rides. Honda's engineering ensures low vibrations, better fuel efficiency, and long-term durability. Ride and handling. The 2026 CB200 offers a balanced chassis with a comfortable riding posture. Its suspension setup is tuned to handle rough urban roads with ease, while still providing confident handling at higher speeds. The lightweight frame helps in easy maneuvering, making it ideal for both new and experienced riders. Features and safety. Modern features include a fully digital instrument cluster with clear readouts, smartphone-friendly information, and essential riding data. Safety is enhanced with a front disc brake setup, reliable stopping power, and improved stability for everyday riding. Final verdict. The new 2026 Honda CB200 is a smart choice for riders looking for a stylish, efficient, and dependable motorcycle. With its updated design and practical performance, it continues Honda's legacy of quality in the 200 cubic centimeters segment. Stay tuned to Pro Bike Review for more latest bike updates.